Okay, this question is giving us 2 points and they're asking us to find the equation of the line passing through those. So this is jumping back to linear equations. So we should remember that we can write it in the form y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. So first thing is that's going to be the most useful is to find the slope. So we know that the slope is the difference in the y values over the difference in the x values. So if I substitute in my values here, y2 is -4 minus y1 is 16 over x2, which is 2, minus 7, which is x1. So the slope is -20 over -5. So now I know the slope is 4. So the equation is y equals 4x plus b. And now I can take one of the points and substitute in for x and y and find b. So it doesn't really matter which one. We'll take the 7, 16. So 16 is y, so I'll substitute that in. 16 equals 4 times x is 7 plus b, right? So 16 equals 28 plus b. So now we can subtract 28 from both sides, right? Subtract 28, and 16 minus 28 is -12 equals b. So now we know the equation. We have the slope, we have the y-intercept, so the equation is y equals 4x minus 12. So that's the first part. Then it says find the intercepts. That's just a matter of substituting in 0 for the other values. So the y-intercept is the easiest. If I substitute in a 0 for x, I get 4 times 0 minus 12. Y equals -12. I could have also looked at it because I know the -12 is the y-intercept, right, which is the b. But so now I know the y-intercept right there is -12, and the x-intercept I can put a 0 in for y, right? So I have 0 equals 4x minus 12. Add 12 to both sides, so 12 equals 4x. Divide both sides by 4. 3 equals x. So the x-intercept is 3. It would be located at 3, 0, but the actual x-intercept is the x-coordinate of the point. So this is the equation of the line, this is the y-intercept, and this here is the x-intercept.